Ladies and gentlemen, mark my words. I will win this election. I have a clear vision for our community and a commitment to delivering tangible benefits to the people. If elected, I will ensure that we have improved healthcare facilities, better infrastructure, and increased educational opportunities for all.
Oh, you're quite confident. But let me tell you, my opponent, your promises are nothing but empty words. Crafty ideas won't solve the real problems we face. If the people entrust me with their votes, I will implement innovative strategies to revitalize our economy, attract new businesses, and create job opportunities that truly uplift our community.
Crafty ideas? I prefer to call them innovative solutions. While you make grand claims, I have a track record of delivering results. I have already secured funding for a new hospital and implemented policies to reduce taxes for small businesses. I will continue to fight for affordable housing initiatives and invest in sustainable energy sources. The people deserve someone who can turn promises into actions.
Results, you say? I believe in thinking outside the box, not relying on the same old playbook. We need fresh perspectives to tackle the complex challenges we face. I will establish partnerships with tech companies to bring high-paying jobs to our region. I will promote green initiatives to combat climate change and protect our environment. It's time for real change, not recycled promises.
Change is important, but change without a solid foundation can be risky. I have a comprehensive plan backed by extensive research and the support of local community leaders. My experience and deep understanding of our constituents' needs will guide me in implementing policies that truly benefit the people. I'm not just making empty promises, I'm committed to making a positive impact.
And I respect your experience, but I believe our community is hungry for bold ideas and a fresh perspective. We need someone who can adapt to the rapidly changing world, harness technology for our benefit, and address the evolving needs of our diverse population. I'm confident that my creative approach will resonate with the people and bring the change they are looking for.